So hello guys, welcome back to GeoCAD Chronicles. For this tutorial, we are going to look at creating a project, saving a project, and loading a project. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more tutorials like this. So we are going to begin with creating a project. So in my main toolbar, you have this word here, project. So I click project, then I click new. We can see there is this new, so I click new. So when I click new, now I've opened the project. You can see that this thing here, the title for the project has untitled project QGIS. It means that this project is not saved. So I can easily load some sample data to work with centers. So I have loaded some data for the LFA center. So now I need to save the project. There are ways we can save, basically like two. One, clicking Ctrl S for those using Windows. Then I can come here to project again and say save. So when I say save, I will browse for the folder where I want to save my work. So let me call this project C. So I click save. So I have saved it in project C. Another way we can create a new project in our QGIS is by using this under toolbars, project toolbars. We click on new project, then we say, let me save these changes. So when I click on new project, we can see that the project is loaded. So I'm now going to get this. I drop it here. So I have created it, loaded data. So still the project is not saved yet. So another way we can save a project is by using the save feature under the toolbar, project toolbar, this one here. So I say save project. So let me save it as project D. So I say save. So basically those are the ways we can create and save projects. So in case you have your projects already made or shared with you, you can easily open them up in QGIS if they are associated with QGIS. So one way to open a recent project, a QGIS project file, is by coming to project under the menu toolbar, project, then I say open, this one here. So when I say open, let me save changes to this. I look up or I browse for my project I want to open. So let me say project C. We can see that right now we are in project D. So let me say project C. I'm now opening project C. I say open. So project C has opened. So we can easily note from here the project name is project C. Another way we can open a project is by using still this under the project toolbar, this open project feature. So I say project, let me open project D. So okay. So the project has also opened. So we can see from the title here, project D is now open. So those are basically the ways we can create a project, save a project, and load a project in QGIS. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share. Thank you.